Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
Wake up, sister! It's 6! Wake up time!
Shh! Let's surprise them.
Okay, but first, wear these. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Brazil!
What's going on?
Wait, is it carnival already?
Yes, carnival in our hotel room.
Wake up, sleepy parents! It's beach day!
Oh my goodness, it's only 6 a.m.
You two have more energy than all of Brazil.
Because we're in Brazil.
Can we go to the beach now?
Yes, but first, we brush our teeth.
And get dressed properly.
Fine. But please, hurry!
Don't worry, today is going to be amazing.
Sunshine, sandy beaches, and maybe a little adventure.
Yay! Mom, look at my beach dress.
Wow, you look ready for the ocean already.
And look at me! I'm wearing my Beach King shirt!
Very stylish, sir.
Don't forget sunscreen. The sun in Brazil is strong.
Mom, it's just breakfast.
The sun doesn't wait until lunchtime.
Done! I'm ready!
Great, let's head to the elevator.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. I hope they have pancakes.
Maybe, but today we should try Brazilian breakfast.
Yes, something new and exciting.
Which floor is the restaurant?
The lobby floor, almost there.
I can already smell food.
Breakfast time!
Yay! Wow, look at the ocean. It's huge.
That's the Atlantic Ocean.
And later today, we're going to swim in it.
Yay!
Good morning. Welcome to breakfast.
Good morning.
How many people?
4, please.
Perfect. Please follow me. Here's a nice table with an ocean view. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Would you like to order something, or would you prefer the breakfast buffet?
The buffet sounds great.
Perfect. Today we have fresh fruit, eggs, pastries, and some traditional Brazilian breakfast items.
Brazilian food? That sounds fun. What kind of Brazilian food?
We have pão de queijo, which is Brazilian cheese bread, and fresh tropical fruits.
That sounds delicious.
Kids, let's go see the buffet.
Right this way to the buffet.
Dad, what's that round bread?
That's pão de queijo, Brazilian cheese bread.
It smells amazing. Can I try one?
Of course. When you're in Brazil, you should try Brazilian food.
Okay, Mom.
This cheese bread is amazing.
These are delicious.
They really are. Great choice.
I want 5 more.
Easy there, Tiger. Save some room for later.
This is the best breakfast ever.
I think I already love Brazil.
And this is just the beginning.
Finish up, everyone. After breakfast, it's beach time.
Beach time! Beach time!
Wow! Look at the beach!
The sand is so white.
Welcome to Copacabana Beach, kids.
One of the most famous beaches in the world.
Whoa, the sand is hot and soft.
It feels like powder.
Don't run too far.
Let's walk to the water together.
The water is cold.
Cold, but fun.
That's the Atlantic Ocean saying hello.
Ready for some beach fun?
Yes!
Good morning. Would you like some fresh coconut water?
Oh, that sounds perfect for today. How much is it?
It's just $5 per coconut, all fresh and chilled.
We'll take 4, please.
I've never had coconut water before.
You're in for a treat. It's the best way to cool down on a hot day.
I want mine with a straw.
Of course, here you go, fresh and cold. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Wow, this is so refreshing.
It tastes like summer.
I agree. It's the perfect drink for a hot beach day.
Nothing beats fresh coconut water by the ocean.
Can we drink this all day? We might need a few more coconuts if we're going to do that.
We'll definitely have to come back for more after our swim.
I want to swim with the coconut in my hand.
Yeah, we can be coconut water explorers.
Well, explorers, let's finish our drinks first, and then we'll head to the water.
After that, we can play in the waves and maybe even build a bigger sandcastle.
I'm going to make the tallest tower ever.
I'll decorate it with shells.
I'm first.
Wait for me! I'm coming!
Don't go too far. Stay close.
The water is so cold, but it feels amazing.
I love how the water splashes.
You two are going to be great swimmers.
Look at you, already getting used to the ocean.
All right, team, now let's go back and build a bigger sandcastle.
Yes, I want to make the tallest tower.
And I'm the castle designer.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's work together.
First, we need strong walls. Who's ready to dig?
Me, I'm the chief digger.
And I'm the castle designer.
Perfect. Let's make the best sandcastle on the beach.
Look, my tower is huge.
Wait, I found a beautiful shell.
That will be perfect for the castle door.
That's a very impressive sandcastle.
Thank you. We're building a giant one.
Keep adding wet sand. It helps the tower stay strong.
Good tip. Thanks.
Teamwork makes the best castles.
And this one deserves a flag.
Wow, we did a great job. But now I think it's time to head back to the hotel. I'm so tired.
Already?
But the beach is so fun.
Your mom is right. We've had a big morning.
We woke up early, had breakfast, swam in the ocean, and built a giant sandcastle.
That's true. I'm a little tired too.
Can we come back later?
Of course, the beach isn't going anywhere.
Let's go back, take a shower, and rest for a while.
And maybe have ice cream later?
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Yay, ice cream!
What a beautiful morning in Brazil. Sunshine, ocean waves, fresh coconut water, and a giant sandcastle. But our adventure is not over yet. In part 3, something exciting is waiting for us. A colorful carnival night surprise and a wild trip into the rainforest. What will we discover there? Dancing, music, animals, and maybe a few funny surprises. So don't miss the next adventure. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe to join more fun English adventures with our family. See you in part 3.